In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets manually in HubSpot. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently log a new ticket whenever you need to track an issue, a request, or a customer conversation inside your HubSpot account. First, log into your HubSpot account as you normally would. Once you're in, turn your attention to the main navigation on the left side of the screen. You're looking for the CRM icon. Hover your cursor over that icon to reveal the different CRM options, and from that list, select tickets. This will take you into the main tickets area where you can see all existing tickets and manage your support or internal requests. Now, to create a ticket manually, move to the top right corner of the tickets page. You'll see an option labeled Add Tickets. Click that and then choose Create New. As soon as you do that, a panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll enter all the key details for your new ticket. Start by adding a clear, descriptive ticket name. This should make it obvious what the ticket is about at a glance, both for you and for your team. Next, choose the appropriate pipeline. Pipelines help you organize tickets into different processes or teams, such as general support, onboarding, or technical issues. Pick the pipeline that best matches the type of request you're logging. Then set the ticket status. This could be something like new, in progress, or closed, depending on how your account is configured. Setting the right status from the beginning helps you and your team track the ticket's progress more easily. Under that, add a ticket description. Use this space to provide all the important details, what the issue is, any relevant background, and what outcome is expected. The more context you add here, the less back and forth your team will need later. You can also choose the ticket source, which indicates where the request came from, such as email, chat, phone, or an internal note. Select the option that best reflects how this ticket was created. Assign a ticket owner so that one specific person is responsible for following up. This ensures accountability and avoids confusion about who should take action. Set the priority level to indicate how urgent or important the ticket is. For example, you might mark something as low, medium, or high priority, depending on how quickly it needs attention. You'll also see an option to edit the create date if needed. Most of the time, you can leave this as is, but if you're logging a ticket after the fact and you want it to reflect an earlier date, you can adjust it here. Next, you can associate the ticket with existing records in your CRM. Start with contacts. Choose which people are related to this ticket, and if your account uses association labels, select the appropriate label to describe their relationship to the ticket. Then, do the same for companies. Choose any company records that should be connected to this ticket, so you can easily see all related activity in one place. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and you're happy with the information, go to the bottom of the panel and click Create. HubSpot will save your new ticket and add it to the pipeline and status you selected. And that's it. You've successfully created a ticket manually in HubSpot. From here, you can continue updating the ticket, adding notes, logging emails, and changing its status as the work progresses.